Getting the Steam api64.dll not found error when you try to launch a game. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to fix it in just a few minutes. Let's get in. Download the missing file. First, we need to grab the missing DLL file. Open your preferred browser and then type in steam_api64.dll download and hit enter. Now you can navigate to this one website, just open it, then scroll all the way down. Click on the option download. Once the file has been downloaded, you'll need to open that zip file. Now click extract all and choose desktop as the destination. Now you'll have Steam api64.dll on your desktop. Now what you need to do is right click on it and copy this file. Open Files Explorer and go to your C drive. Scroll down and open the Windows folder. Inside Windows, find and open System32. Right click on the white space and select Paste. If you get a security prompt, click Continue. Now paste it in SYS-WOW64 too. Head back to Windows, find the folder SYS-WOW64. Paste it over here. And that's it. The missing DLLs should now be in the right places. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.